Have you ever wondered how to create and edit Excel charts? Well, you're in the right place. Excel charts are powerful tools that allow us to visually represent and analyze data. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Excel charts, covering everything from creating chart objects and sheets to designing and managing your charts. We'll also touch on enhancing your charts and building specialty charts and sparklines. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at creating and designing Excel charts. First off, we'll look at how to create Excel chart objects and chart sheets. To do this, you'll first need to have some data in your spreadsheet. Once your data is ready, you can create a chart object by selecting the data and then clicking on the Insert tab. From there, select Charts and choose the type of chart that suits your data best. There are many different types of charts you can use, from bar and line charts for showing trends over time, to pie charts for illustrating proportions. For more complex data, you might want to use a scatter plot or a combo chart. To create a chart sheet, it's just as straightforward. Once you've created a chart object, you can move it to a new chart sheet by right-clicking on the chart and selecting Move Chart. And that's how you create Excel chart objects and chart sheets. Simple, right? Now, let's dive into designing and managing Excel charts. The beauty of Excel charts lies in their flexibility. You can tailor them to your specific needs by changing the layout, style, colors, and chart type. For instance, a bar chart can be transformed into a pie chart with just a few clicks. The layout and style options allow you to modify the chart's overall appearance and structure, while the color option lets you set the mood or emphasize specific data. Now, managing chart elements is just as crucial. Titles give your audience a quick overview of the chart's content. Data labels provide exact values for data points, making your chart more informative. Grid lines offer a visual guide for estimating values, and trend lines can show patterns or trends in your data. And with that, you're now capable of designing and managing your own Excel charts. But we're not stopping there. We're going to enhance our charts even further. Let's start with formatting. To give your chart a unique look, you can play around with shape styles, fill colors and outlines. You can even add special effects to make your chart pop out. Now, let's enhance our charts with some cool additions. Ever thought about adding icons or shapes? They can make your charts more engaging and easier to understand. And how about word art? It's a great way to add some flair to your titles or labels. But let's not forget about alt text. This is a hidden gem that can make your charts more accessible to those using screen readers. It's all about adding that extra touch to make your charts stand out. So that's how you add more depth and style to your Excel charts. Lastly, we're going to build some specialty charts and insert sparklines into our worksheet. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. Pie charts, line charts, and combo charts are some of the most common types of charts used in Excel. Pie charts are perfect for displaying data in proportion to the whole, while line charts are ideal for showing trends over time. Combo charts, as the name suggests, combine two or more chart types into one, giving you more flexibility in displaying your data. But Excel doesn't stop there. It also offers a range of specialty charts. For instance, you can create a waterfall chart to visualize the cumulative effect of sequential positive and negative values, or a sunburst chart to display hierarchical data. But what if you want to display a trend, but don't have much space? Enter sparklines. These are tiny charts that fit in a single cell and are perfect for showing a trend in a compact space. To insert a sparkline, simply select the cell where you want the sparkline to appear, head over to the Insert tab, and choose the type of sparkline you want. You can then format the sparkline to fit your needs by adjusting its color, style, and other properties, and there you have it. You can now build specialty charts and sparklines with ease. So, there you have it. That's how you create, edit, and format Excel charts. We've covered everything from chart objects to specialty charts and sparklines. Remember, mastering Excel charts is key to data representation and analysis. Now, go forth and create some stunning Excel charts of your own.